Want to supercharge your TV experience and ditch cable for good? Let's get YouTube TV streaming on your Roku device right now. First things first, navigate to your Roku home screen using your Roku remote, scroll down and select the option that says Streaming Channels. Once you're in the channel store, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and select that search bar. Now type in YouTube TV. As you type, you'll see suggestions pop up. Look for the official YouTube TV app and select it. On the YouTube TV app page, you should see a button that says Add Channel. Click on that to install the app onto your Roku. The app will now download and install onto your Roku device. This usually only takes a few moments. Once installed, you'll find the YouTube TV app icon on your Roku home screen. Select it to open the app. If you're new to YouTube TV, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your YouTube TV account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up on the YouTube TV website first before proceeding. And just like that, you're in. You'll see the main YouTube TV interface where you can easily browse live channels, your recorded shows in your library, or explore on-demand content. Navigating is a breeze. Use your Roku remote to scroll through the channel guide, select your favorite shows, and enjoy all your live TV has to offer. From breaking news to live sports and your favorite dramas, YouTube TV on Roku puts it all at your fingertips. Happy streaming!